Hello friends, welcome to Janus tutorial. Today we are going to learn a new topic in our English reader. Okay, so which is nothing but a story we are going to learn, and here I am going to explain you the whole story in a new way. So before entering into our lesson, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Okay, let us go into our topic. Children, all of you please open your reader page number 3, the True Friend story. Okay, so here already I have written your lesson name, A True Friend. So let us read the story in line by line. Now see what has been given in our first line. Rahul and Raj were best friends studying in class 4. So how many friends are there, children? Here there are 2 friends. Okay, we have 2 friends, and what are the names of the friends, children? Rahul and Raj. So 2 members are there. These 2 members are friends, and which class they are studying? Same like you, they are studying in your class 4. Okay, so those 2 children, Rahul and Raj, are studying in class 4. Rahul was good at sports but poor in studies. So what has happened to Rahul? He is very good at sports. Okay, he is very good in sports. So I am putting a tick mark. But he is weak in studies. So I am putting a cross mark over here for Rahul. Then next, Raj was good at both. See what happened to the second person? He is good in sports as well as he is good in studies too. So Rahul is good in only sports, whereas Raj is good in both sports as well as studies. The next, coming to the next line, they often had a cycling contest. So in which they have participated? They have participated in a cycle race. So you all know cycling race, no children? So both of them have participated in a cycle race. Then next, Raj always managed to win. As a result, Rahul became jealous of Raj. So this Raj is there, no? So he was good at sports as well as studies. So what happened? Always he used to win. Okay. So when always Raj is used to win, what happened to Rahul? Rahul was becoming jealous. Okay. Jealous means what? He doesn't like his friend to win the contest because he was not good at studies, right? And the other person was good in both. So he became jealous of his friend because he is winning in both sports as well as studies. Okay. Then next, coming to the next point, children, coming to the next paragraph, the sports day was near. So one day what happened? A sports day has been conducted for the children in their school. Okay. So in that sports day, let us see what happened. So sometimes in your school also you will be having some competitions, right? So in the same way they have conducted a sports day competition in their school. Okay, everyone was participating for it. So many of your friends also will be participating in the competitions. So in the same way, many of the students from their school also has participated in the competition. So Rahul and Raj were very good at athletics. Athletics means what, children? It is nothing but sports. So both of them are good at sports. We have given a tick mark. Yes, children. So both of them were good at athletics. Rahul was determined to win. So what happened to Rahul? He was good at sports. So he decided that anyhow I have to win this competition. So he decided in that way. Then next. But he was not sure whether he could score a win over Raj. So Rahul decided to win the competition, but he was not sure that whether he will get the first prize when compared with Raj or not. So he was in a confusion mind. Okay, children. Then next, slowly he started talking lesser and lesser with Raj. So when he was confused whether he will win the competition or not, at that time what he did? He started talking very less with his friend. Day by day, he was talking very less matter with his friend. Okay. So Raj asked him the reason many times, but Rahul always put him off with one excuse or the other. So what happened? This Raj got a doubt. Why this Rahul is not speaking with me from many days? What happened to him? So one day he just went and asked his friend, Rahul, what happened? Why you are not talking with me? Then what did Rahul give the answer? Rahul say one or the other excuse that I was busy, so I have to go somewhere. So like that he was giving some or the other answer. That is nothing but he was giving one or the other excuse to Raj, but he was not saying the perfect answer to Raj why he was not talking with the Raj. Okay. Then next, one day before the sports day, Rahul hit upon a plan to defeat Raj. So what Rahul was thinking, he was having some plan in his mind. So he thought, okay, anyhow I should win over Raj. So he tried to plan something in his mind. So he went to the ground before anyone had arrived there, and he dug a small pit on the path where Raj was supposed to run, and he covered it with leaves and went back to his classroom. So I said you that Rahul has planned something. Okay. So what was his plan, children? It was nothing but in the early morning before everyone will come to the ground. So Rahul went to the playground. So when he went to the playground, like this the playground will be. Suppose here if you have started running. Okay. Suppose if Raj has started running from here this point, and Rahul will start running from this point in the playground. So Rahul went here and he has dug a pit. So pit means what? Pit is nothing but a hole which is made in the ground. Okay. So he has dig a hole in the ground, and in that hole what he has put? All the leaves. Okay. And all the dust he has put. Okay. And above he has put some mud. Okay. So when you put or step on that, what will happen? You will fall down. Your leg will go into that. So that is what Rahul has planned for Raj, so that he will not win the competition. This was his plan. Okay, children? Then next. So he covered it with leaves and went back to his classroom. So he did this thing, and without saying to anyone, okay, he just silently went to his classroom. See, all of you just think for a second whether this is a good thing or bad thing, children. Yes, it is really a bad thing, and we all children should not do like this. Okay, it is not at all a good thing. Okay, now see, in this picture you can see he is digging a hole and he is putting all the leaves from the basket into this. Okay, so this is the plan what he has made. Then next we will move for the next page, children, that is page number 4. Okay, children, did you all open page 4? So let us see the remaining story. Okay, so when the race started, Raj was ahead of Rahul, but after some time Raj stepped on the pit and fell down. He was seriously injured. So here is Raj and here is Rahul. So as they said start, ready, steady, 1, 2, 3, both of them started continuing the cycling contest. So Raj was going ahead and Rahul was still here only. So after some time when he reached the pit, he just fell down and he got injured. So injured means what, children? Raj got some hurt and Rahul was continuing the cycling contest. Okay, let us see later. Rahul overtook him. He was very happy as his plan has worked and he won the first prize. Now Rahul is very happy. Why Rahul is very happy? Because Raj fell down and he was unable to continue the race. So he continued the race and obviously Rahul got first prize because he reached till the end. Rahul took the trophy home. So when he got the first prize, the school has given him a trophy also. And he took this trophy to the home to show his parents that he got the trophy. Okay. Then his parents were also very happy. So obviously when you get anywhere first prize, what will happen? You will show to your parents and your parents will be feeling very much exciting and surprised. They feel very happy as they have won some gifts. Okay. So this is what has happened. His friends were proud of him, but now Rahul was not happy. So his friends, his parents, everyone was happy. Rahul, friends and parents. But Rahul was not happy now. When he got the first prize, even though he was not happy. Why he was not happy? Let us see. he started feeling that he did not deserve the trophy as he has cheated and had hurt his best friend. So why Rahul was not feeling happy? Because he started thinking in his mind that he cheated his friend. How did Rahul cheat Raju? By digging the pit. If the pit was not there, what used to happen? Rahul also used to continue the race, right? But that was not happen. So Rahul made a pit. Because of that pit, Raj has fallen down. So for that, Rahul was feeling guilty. He has cheated his friend. Let us see the story. He could not sleep properly that night. So he was going on thinking about his friend only. So he was unable to sleep on that night. Next morning, he went to the principal room. He opened the door and said, "Excuse me, sir. Could I speak to you for a while?" Okay. So next morning, what happened in the school? He just went to his principal, sir. You all have principals, right? So he went to his principal, sir. So before going into the principal room, what you have to ask? You should have asked for excuse me. Okay, this is the manners to ask when we go near someone to talk something. So excuse me, sir, I want to talk something with you is what has Rahul spoke with the principal. Okay, children. So here you can see the principal sitting here and this is Rahul. He was feeling very bad for what he has done. Now let us see what he spoke with the principal now. So inside he admitted that he had dug the pit in which Raj had fallen down. And the principal said, "I am happy that you have realized your fault, Rahul. You should make friends with Raj and promise me that you will not betray him again. Besides, you must study very hard and secure good marks like your friend." So what did the principal say to Rahul? You are a very good boy because you accepted your mistake that you have dug the pit where your friend has fallen down. So please don't do this such kind of things for the next time is what the principal said. And also please study well to secure good marks. This is what the principal has said to Rahul. Now let us move to the next page, children. Okay, children, did you all turn the next page, that is page number 5? Let us see the remaining story. So Rahul went to Raj and apologized to him from the core of his heart, and Raj forgave him and agreed to be friends with him again. So what happened? Rahul again went near Raj and he said, "Please excuse me, I am very sorry because I have done like this. Again, please let us be friends. Start the friendship," he said. Okay, and both of them became friends again. After some days, a class test was held. So they have conducted again some exams. You will be having exams in your school, children. In the same way, their school also has conducted an exam. So Rahul gave a poor performance. So when they conducted the exam, what happened? Again, Rahul got very less marks. Okay, he did not study well. So Rahul got very less marks, children. And he managed to score very less marks. His principal said, "This is your last chance. If you do not perform well in the term and examination also, you will be punished." So what the principal said to Rahul, if you don't study well, what will happen? You will not move to the further classes. This is what the principal said to Rahul. Okay, now see here what happened. Rahul was ashamed of himself and cried bitterly. So when the principal said like that, so he started crying. Okay, again I have to read, he thought. So Raj came to him and said, "Rahul, do not worry. This is just a class test. Start studying well and work hard from now onwards. If you do so, you will do much better in the term and exams." So what happened at that time? Raj came to Rahul and he supported his friend a lot. Raj has supported Rahul a lot. In which way he supported? Okay, you go on study, then you will be getting good marks. Don't do like this. Please go on study 2 to 3 times, then you will be getting very good marks, he said. Okay, then next let us see. Rahul thanked Raj. He worked hard and Raj helped Rahul in every way he could. So already Raj was very good in sports and studies. So this Raj, when he was good at studies, has helped Rahul also, so that he could also get good marks in the exams. So Rahul has thanked Raj for helping him to get good marks in the exams. So Raj helped Rahul in every way he could. When the term and examination result was announced, everyone was surprised to see that he had not only topped in the class but beaten Raj as well. Raj was the first one to congratulate him. So what happened now? So when both of them has been conducted the exam, now this time who was the topper? Rahul became the topper. So he got the first rank and Raj secured second rank. How this happened? Because Rahul has worked hard a lot. He studied, okay? He has studied and he got the first prize and Raj got the second rank. Sorry children, he got the first rank, not the prize in the exam. And Raj got second rank. Indeed, it was the happiest day of Rahul's life. He thanked Raj who had stood second. His principal was also very happy with their results. After this, Rahul and Raj remained true friends ever after. So this all happened because of whom? Because of his friend Raj. Rahul has stood topper. And his principal also was very happy because both of them were studying well. And after that what happened? They both remained like a best friends, whom we call it as true friends. Okay. So this is the story regarding the true friend children. So please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel.